Hello and welcome to today's video on the neuroscience of creativity. Creativity is often thought of as an elusive trait possessed only by a select few deemed creative types. However, recent research into the neuroscience of creativity has shown that creativity is not an innate talent, but rather a process that can be developed and enhanced with practice, and that understanding the inner workings of our brains can help us unleash our creativity. First, let's start by defining creativity. Creativity is the ability to generate new and useful ideas, insights, or solutions to problems. It's important to note that creativity is not just limited to the arts, but can be applied to any field, including science, technology, and business. So, what happens in our brains when we're being creative? There are several areas of the brain that play a role in creativity. One key area is the prefrontal cortex, which is responsible for executive control and decision-making. When we're being creative, the prefrontal cortex helps us generate and evaluate ideas, and make decisions about which ones to pursue. Another important area of the brain is the default mode network, which is active when we're daydreaming, mind-wandering, or engaged in creative tasks that involve imagination and mental visualization. This network helps us generate new ideas by making connections between seemingly unrelated things. Neuroscience has also shown that certain chemicals in our brain can enhance creativity. One such chemical is dopamine, which is released when we experience novelty or unpredictability. For example, when we try something new or solve a problem in a novel way, dopamine is released, which can increase motivation and drive. But what can we do to enhance our creativity? One effective way is to engage in activities that promote neuroplasticity, which is the brain's ability to change and adapt. This includes things like learning a new skill, playing an instrument, or practicing mindfulness meditation. It's also important to break out of our comfort zones and try new things. By exposing ourselves to new experiences and ideas, we can broaden our perspectives and increase our ability to make new connections. Finally, it's important to give ourselves permission to fail. Creativity often involves taking risks and making mistakes, but it's through these failures that we learn and grow. By embracing the process of creativity rather than focusing solely on the outcome, we can allow ourselves the freedom to experiment and take risks. In conclusion, creativity is not just a talent that some are born with, but a process that can be developed and enhanced with practice. By understanding the neuroscience of creativity, we can learn how to unleash our creativity and achieve greater levels of innovation and problem solving. So, the next time you're stuck for ideas, remember to engage your brain, try new things, and give yourself permission to fail. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.